Good morning, sir, madam. I am Janet Nacor Apolencia, married, and 5 children, 2 boys and 2 girls. I'm working in Hong Kong almost 18 years. My first employer is 14 years, and the present is 4 years. My first employer, I'm taking caring the newborn baby until they are growing up. I stayed there in 14 years, and this presents only couple. And also my personality, I'm good and follow the rules, working hard. I'm willing to work also with co-worker, but if I'm it's already if I'm alone, it's also I'm working. If better I'm alone to work. I know how to cook also at the Chinese food, and my language is a little bit Mandarin and English. Thank you, ma'am. That's all.